Is that a video?
Careful.
Mommy, I'm thinking of the other elephants. The older elephants that have seen this before.
Yeah.
They've been here for a while. They've been showing them how to oh no, he's going in. Oh. He's so cute.